Now, as they have assured you, I want to assure Ugandans that we are working very closely with DPP to ensure we do our part of what the people of Uganda have asked us to do. Especially, the Constitution is very clear. In fact, it's not about led, it's now guided. In fact, if you see our Constitution, the Director of Public Prosecution guides criminal investigations. So even earlier today, if you observed, we had a number of meetings which were to again guide. So we have moved far from CID doing whatever they want, and DPP later comes in to a situation where now we are sitting together and the DPP guides every step. And that's why I think the country has witnessed some very, very quick investigations. These days, even I think we should rate our, we commit people very fast because we have been working together. And I think that's what you have been looking for as Ugandans. And that's the justice you want, that if we get you, the file is done very fast. This story of, you know, police is still investigating. I think we have started moving on that journey. So as she has ably told you, these coming 2 days is part of that process to have that conversation. This is not to say that we have reached 100%. We are not yet where we want to be. So the purpose of bringing both our teams countrywide into a room and we discuss and see their challenges is again to increase how best we can serve the population. So I think you should actually commend this process because it means a Ugandan in Ajumani, a Ugandan in Arua, they are going to start getting slightly better services from our two teams. Now, as far as information on criminal investigations is concerned, Anthony, I think we have a very competent public relations officer whom I want also to congratulate here. He's going to work out a mechanism where we can be much more accountable to you, much more able to give you the information. But what we have also resisted is a situation of turning CID and DPP into a center of blackmail. Because we are like a hospital, really. When they allege on you, the investigations are done. Sometimes you are innocent. Sometimes there's something you have to answer for. So we also don't want to turn our work into a situation where wherever they allege on somebody, then we are part of the embarrassing part of it. Because our Constitution is very clear that someone is innocent until. So I would expect the media to understand this better because it can be you yourself tomorrow. So give us chance to have a system which accounts to you when we are ready to account to you. Not to turn it into a house where we blackmail people, we intimidate people, and then eventually some funny people out there start to extort. So we are trying to do that to make sure that the CID is not a center of embarrassing Ugandans because they can only be proven in court. And it's at that point in court that we can be able to have a lot of information on these people.